United States federal government has issued a civil defense emergency for the United States of America until further notice. At 5:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, North American Aerospace Defense Command detected 3 missile launches in North Korea. These missiles are believed to be armed with nuclear warheads and headed for the American West Coast. Emergency update. If you live in or near the cities of Los Angeles, San Bernardino or Las Vegas, get to a fallout shelter now. Nuclear missiles are heading for these cities. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Please do not panic. Get to your nearest shelter in an orderly manner. This station will now cease transmission, so please use your battery radio for more information.